Well, good morning from Dynodaze, and today we have a Mitsubishi Colt CZT in beautiful grey. Now my first Mitsubishi Colt was a grey one, so I've got a soft spot for these. This car today is having a fuel pump fitted, a DW200. It's also having some 550 injectors off our website fitted, thank you Jason. It's got an Arashi turbo on it, and some supporting mods. So we're going to map it, and we're going to see how we get on. It's going to be lovely. Well, our Jason has now fitted a 3-port boost solenoid, injectors and a fuel pump in the tank, and it's just waiting to come off the ramp, and then it will be going on the dyno. And because we've got the Ecutek license flashed at a base map for our 550cc injectors, it should fire up and we should be able to start map lapping. Richard's eagerly awaiting. Well, there's the end results. As you can see, red line is as it came in, blue line is as we finish. Not so bad, absolutely massive gains there in the mid-range, and as you can see, we finish on 250 brake horsepower, which is fantastic. 227 foot-pound of torque. Obviously, there's more to be had with the correct mods, but yeah, really happy with that. That's going to feel incredible.
decided to do. Life was pretty fast.